Good morning, students. As you all know that we had completed first chapter of the unit 3. Today we are going to start second chapter, Robinson Crusoe. First of all, listen to me carefully. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years on an island. One day he discovered a footprint on the seashore, means समुद्र के किनारे उसे एक पैरों का निशान दिखाई दिया. Let's find out when he did that. Okay. One day when I was going, I stands for Robinson Crusoe. When I was going to board my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any footprints too, and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heels, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. One day, Robinson Crusoe was going towards his boat and he saw the footprint, but he did not see anyone. उसे कोई दिखाई नहीं दिया. He neither hear nor see anyone or anything. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो बोलते हैं कि मैं एक थोड़ा हाइट वाली जगह पे गया देखने के लिए, पर मुझे वहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं दिखाई दिया और मुझे कोई पैर का निशान नहीं मिला. वो तो एक ही वही था. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो बोलते हैं तो फिर मैंने क्या सोचा कि मैं दोबारा इसको देखने के लिए जाता हूँ, पर उन्हें दोबारा भी वहाँ पे कोई पैर का निशान नहीं मिला. बिकॉज then Robinson Crusoe said, I was not mistaken because that was the print of a foot with toes, heel, every part of a foot. हर एक चीज़ थी पैर की, वो पैर का निशान ही था. तो कहते हैं कि I was stayed for some time there, a long time there and become more and more confused. जितना मैं वहाँ पे बैठ के सोचता रहा उतना ही मैं confuse होता रहा. At last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. हर झाड़ी, बुश मीन्स झाड़ी, और ट्री को क्या समझ रहा था? इंसान समझ रहा था. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. Chase means पीछा करना. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock when which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mankind who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time, but what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. And at last, Robinson Crusoe returned to his home and he was frightened. Totally वो डरे हुए थे एंड बार बार पीछे मुड़ के देखते कि कोई मेरा पीछा तो नहीं कर रहा है. तब वो जब बोलते हैं जब मैं क्या कर रहा था, हर झाड़ी को, एवरी बुश और ट्री को क्या समझ रहा था? इंसान समझ रहा था. एंड व्हेन आई केम टू माई केव, I ran inside as if someone following me. कि कोई मेरा पीछा कर रहा है. Robinson Crusoe said, I did not sleep that night. I did not sleep that night when I was thinking about what I had seen. मैं उतना ही ज़्यादा डरे जा रहा था. तभी रॉबिन्सन क्रूजो सोचते हैं कि शायद हो सकता है कि वो कोई ऐसा इंसान हो जो अपनी छोटी सी बोट पे समुद्र में इधर घूमता हो. But again he thinking, if he had seen my boat, he realized someone is present over there. यहाँ पे पक्का कोई रहता है. And he will surely come back to kill me. वो पक्का आएगा मुझे मारने के लिए. And so I lay fearful so many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going to investigate. But even now, I went forward. I looked behind continuously because I was still very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and I saw nothing, I came a little bolder. I decided to go down to shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. I came closer to the footmark. I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, I placed my foot alongside the footprint. It seemed larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. There was someone there. The island was inhabited. Robinson Crusoe said, I was in fear in so many days, and finally I decided to examine the footprint. और क्या कहता है कि जो मैंने अपने अपने पैर के साथ रियलाइज़ किया, चलो मैं अपने पैर के साथ उन निशान को मिला के देखता हूँ, क्या हो सकता है कि मेरे पैर का निशान हो। और जब उन्होंने क्या किया, बट व्हेन ही रीच्ड ऑन द सी शोर ही रियलाइज दैट आई वॉज नॉट I had not visited this part of the beach since long time. तो ये मेरे पैर का निशान तो हो ही नहीं सकता। देन ही पुट हिज फुट ऑन द फुट प्रिंट and he saw that the footprint was larger than his foot. My fear returned. Robinson Crusoe said, my fear returned. मेरा जो डर था वो दोबारा फिर मेरे अंदर आ गया, फिर डर गया मैं। I ran toward my home again. Robinson Crusoe said, I'm sure there was someone else. वहाँ पे जरूर कोई ना कोई है। अब वो फिर से डर गए। Okay, this is your chapter, Robinson Crusoe. And students, try to solve the question number 4. Answer the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay, try to solve this question.